If you're considering Bloom Intelligence for your business, you're probably wondering if it's really the best solution for your needs. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Whether you're looking for smarter analytics, better customer insights, or simply a way to track and optimize your marketing campaigns more effectively, Bloom Intelligence offers a lot, but it's important to understand exactly what you're getting into. First off, Bloom Intelligence is a powerful tool for businesses that want to improve their customer insights and marketing efforts. What sets it apart from competitors like Google Analytics or Kissmetrics is its emphasis on location-based data. While other tools focus on website traffic, Bloom specializes in tracking physical customer movement in your store or venue. This means you can measure how customers interact with your physical space and tie it back to your digital marketing efforts, giving you a much clearer picture of customer behavior both online and offline. Next thing to consider is ease of use. Compared to other analytics tools, Bloom is fairly user-friendly. It doesn't have the steep learning curve that tools like Adobe Analytics sometimes require. The interface is designed for people who might not be data scientists, but still need powerful insights to drive business decisions. However, this simplicity might not be enough for those with complex data needs, in which case more advanced platforms could be a better fit. But if you need to get up and running quickly, Bloom makes it relatively easy to jump right in. The third thing to know is how Bloom handles integration. Unlike standalone platforms like Heatmap or FootfallCam, Bloom integrates with several other popular tools, including CRM systems and marketing platforms. This allows you to pull in data from different sources, giving you a more holistic view of your business. This is a big deal for marketers and business owners who need everything in one place. Moving on, another important point is the pricing structure. Bloom Intelligence isn't the cheapest option out there, and it's worth noting that its pricing model can vary depending on the number of locations you want to track or the specific features you need. Compared to some entry-level options like Google Analytics, which is free but lacks physical location tracking, Bloom might seem a bit pricey, but when you consider the added value of tracking real-world customer behavior, it could be worth the investment if you're serious about growing your business. The fifth thing you should know is about customer support. In this regard, Bloom offers robust support options from live chat to in-depth knowledge bases. While tools like Mixpanel or Segment offer extensive support, Bloom's customer service is on par with the best of them. If you run into a problem or need guidance, you can expect a fast response from their team, which is a big plus for businesses that rely on smooth operations. Another important feature to consider is the ability to track ROI from specific marketing efforts. With Bloom, you can track how different marketing campaigns are impacting foot traffic and sales, helping you fine-tune your strategies. Unlike competitors that might only give you raw data, Bloom goes a step further by offering actionable insights. This kind of ROI tracking is critical for businesses that need to justify marketing spend and ensure that their efforts are leading to real-world results. The last thing you need to know is that Bloom Intelligence offers a free trial. This gives you the chance to test it out for yourself and see if it fits your needs. If you're still on the fence after trying it out, remember that there's no risk. Just sign up through the first link below to access this exclusive offer. So, if you're looking for a smart way to track both online and offline customer behavior, improve your marketing strategies, and get actionable insights, Bloom Intelligence might be the solution you've been searching for. Remember, the best way to try it out is to click the first link in the description below and take advantage of their free trial offer. You'll not only get to test all the features for yourself, but you'll also gain access to some exclusive benefits when you sign up through that link. Thanks for watching.